I honestly can't believe I'm standing in ancient Rome right now. Look at this place. The streets are packed, and the entire city feels alive. Listen to this crowd! The entire Colosseum is shaking from the noise. I have never seen anything this massive in my life. Those ships just appeared out of nowhere. The Vikings are already coming ashore. We need to get out of here. We're in the middle of the North Atlantic, and these waves are getting huge. Everyone is rowing like crazy to keep this ship moving. We made it to land. I don't think anyone here has ever seen this place before. And they're already moving inland to find out what's waiting beyond those trees. This is incredible. I'm inside a real Viking longhouse. And the entire place is alive with music, stories, and firelight.